Hi guys, so I am going to share with you this Sunny Isle Beauty Kit that I got in the mail from Sunny Isle, so I'm really excited. Sunny Isle's Pure Chebe Hair Care Set is infused with Jamaican castor oil, and the castor oil does come from Jamaica and supports the families there. So that's just another thing to love about Sunny Isle Beauty. So in this kit, there is Chebe powder, a 4 ounce container. And then there's also pure butter infused with Chebe powder, Chebe intensive repair mask, a Chebe extreme hydrating shampoo, and then also the same for the conditioner. So let's get into it. So here is the shampoo. I'm just going to get that out of there. Okay, so this is extreme hydrating. It's infused with pure Chebe powder and Jamaican black castor oil. It is for anti-breakage and improve growth with that Chebe powder. Chebe powder is the hot thing on the market right now, and Chebe is found from Chad over in Africa. So this is a nice shampoo to have. Of course, it works like any other shampoo. And I'm going to see if I can smell it here. It smells delicious. It really does. It smells like there's a nice fruity scent to it. It doesn't smell like castor oil because we know that that has kind of more of a burnt scent to it. And then we also have the conditioner in here. I'm going to smell that one too real quick. Very delightful, and you can see the consistency here coming out of there. And we're just going to kind of close that, and I'll wipe it off really quick here. But this is smelling very, very gorgeous, very delightful and pleasant to put on our hair. So a very nice smelling hair care product. This one also repairs, replenishes, and rejuvenates. Okay. And then going on real quick to our intensive repair deep treatment mask. Sorry, I still have conditioner on my hand here. It is to reverse damage. It's also infused with Chebe powder and the Jamaican black castor oil. And this one does have a seal on it to protect it. And I can smell that just a little bit through there, not much, but it has a similar smell to the other two. And then we have the Chebe powder. This is the pure butter. So let's see what this one looks like. And that one looks like more of a consistency like grease, like we're used to, but it's really, really light. I don't know if you can see that on there. Are very light, so it's not thick like some of those brands of grease. It's really, really just goes on like butter, like it says. And so this one you can apply to your scalp daily, and of course it's for dry hair and for rejuvenation of your scalp. And then last but not least, we have the Chebe powder. I'm gonna get out of here. And this Chebe powder also infused with the black castor oil from Jamaica. And this one is to help with extreme hydration. So you want to really hydrate your scalp. And then you can also do hot oil treatments with it as well. And this one is an oil. It's also security protected there with a seal. Safely protected. And so I don't know if you can see that consistency in there, but almost like a cough syrup consistency, just the way it moves in there. This one is said to be a oil. This is Jamaican castor oil infused with Chebe powder. So that is what I have in my kit. Thank you so much, Sunny Isle. I really appreciate this gift. And I love your products. I've already tried out. I had the Jamaican castor oil that they have. I had experience with that prior to this. And so I'm really excited to continue to try these products and to share with you exactly how I feel like they work. So give me some time to try them out, and I should hopefully be doing another video for you guys. Thank you for watching.